What's up, everybody? It's Marcello back from Toyota World, and behind me here I have a beautiful 2021 Toyota Tundra TRD Sport that's going to get some customizations on it. Right now it's completely bone dry from the factory in terms of options and accessories. It doesn't have anything done to it, but it's going to get some lovely Predator side step bars. It's going to get a TRD exhaust. It's going to get a hard tri-fold tonneau cover, some tinted windows. We're probably going to white out those door handles. So let's take a look at some before and afters on this beautiful TRD Sport Tundra. So here's the truck now. You can see it sits a little bit higher. I'm not sure if this is the full height. Actually, no, I don't think it is because it's currently still on the jack system. But guys, check it out, eh? What a mean machine. Sorry for all the noise, guys. We're here inside the shop at Maple Toyota. Okay, so guys, here's the beautiful truck. As you can see, TRD Sport Premium. We've got some really cool custom looking upgrades on this truck. We've got the beautiful OEM Predator side step bars, which look beautiful. We've got the blacked out Toyota emblems, blackout badges. We have a lovely... So what happened here, the customer actually had a 2018 Toyota Tundra Crew Max, just a TRD off-road, and he went ahead and actually put in these yellow LED looking lights. Did it himself, loved it so much. So I say, you know what, can you actually just swap that grill from the old truck to the new truck? So, you know, we went ahead and did that for him. We've got the lovely hard tri-fold tonneau cover on this beautiful truck. If you stand back and notice, your third brake light and your tail lights are a little bit darker than normal. That's because customer wanted us to do a light tint on them just to give it that extra, you know, that extra glow. Jeez, this is a really beautiful truck. Anyways, we've got the TRD exhaust. And if you stand back, yeah, you can see it's sitting a little bit higher than it normally would from the manufacturer. And yes, that's because there's a lift kit on it. Beautiful truck. Reminds me a lot of a TRD Pro, but beautiful truck. I know. What about we hear what the TRD exhaust sounds like, coupled together with that beautiful TRD intake? Let's go. So yes, we have a TRD, OEM TRD intake system on this truck. I took the truck for a short drive. Didn't really go heavy with acceleration, just a really short drive. But you can definitely feel that this engine, this lovely 5.7 V8 is breathing a lot easier due to this beautiful TRD intake. The overall flow of how the pedal feels on your foot is totally different, in my opinion, for a truck or a 5.7 liter V8 that doesn't have this TRD intake. So really good addition. And I gotta tell you guys, the exhaust, TRD exhaust that is, sounds spectacular, especially with that intake system. Check out from the front. See the stance that this thing has? Like, how mean looking is that, right? Beautiful. Just gorgeous. Okay guys, that's all I've got on this beautiful 2021 Toyota Tundra TRD Sport Premium. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care.